guys, it's Taylor here. I'll be doing a shopping haul. First from Claire's. This owl necklace with these pretty earrings, which the other one fell off. It's the same, it looks the same. Then from Old Navy I got 2 bags from Old Navy. Some school pants for me. Then another Old Navy bag. I got this shirt that says Fla la la, laughing Noj all the way.
Amazing news. The clients aren't happy you pointed out some fatal design flaws in the product.
And this little chain thingy for my school bag. Then we went to Aeropostale. And I got one shirt. It looks like this. It says Aero. Looks bigger than it looked before. Okay. Then we went to the children's place and I got a few shirts. I think. Yeah, okay. I got this shirt that says, "Girls, I love laughing." I got most of every place. But one place was not the mall. Seriously? Then I got this shirt and it says, "Be happy, laugh, smile." Okay. Rate, comment, and subscribe. First, Pixie wants to say hey. Here, wake up. Pixie wants to say hey. I think she's tired. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.